was wrong about a lot of things.
I think there's no harm in getting another opinion.
Was I or was I not correct?
Why does that make you feel so threatened?
You know, I'm another opinion, and I have to tip my hat. Dr. Bailey called it.
Nobody said it wasn't good to deal with the pancreas, but he is still clearly unstable. He hasn't regained consciousness.
None of that is unusual.
I would like to bring in another person, somebody that could tell us.
I will make the decision. You've said what you think, and then you said it again, and I will take that under advisement.
Dr. Gray.
He picked you to be his girlfriend, and we're all very happy about that. But he picked me to be his family.
And you walked away from that responsibility the second.
No one said I would be good at it. And he knew that, but he picked me anyway. I'm the family.
Meredith.
Please don't get involved.
But I was right about one thing.
Hi.
I was right about this.